Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Paragon. Today we're going to be checking out Nick's 2020 orange C8 Corvette behind me. And if you stick around to the end, we've got a little surprise. I'm going to tell you what rhymes with orange. Let's go check it out. So now you might be wondering to yourself, Rob, why are you doing this customer car spotlight in the dyno cell? And well, that would be because this car just put down 595 wheel horsepower on the dyno. All thanks to this Procharger setup here, installed right here at Paragon. And when you're a big baller like Nick and you get the carbon fiber Procharger covers, the Paragon Performance carbon fiber hood struts are a no-brainer. And when you've got an engine bay that looks this good, folks, the Paragon Performance billet strut tower bars, they're a must-have. And because Nick didn't want to silence his Procharger, you gotta let those people hear the whine, he had to put on the Paragon Performance titanium exhaust, which looks great with the gloss carbon fiber and blue tips. Moving wide to the side of this car now, you'll notice this is not the Corvette SUV, and that's because it's actually lowered. That's all thanks to the Paragon Performance front lift lowering collars, coilover turn down in the back, and the Paragon lowering springs. And you'll also notice the stock wheels are actually flushed with the side of the body. Once again, thanks to Paragon Performance 20mm wheel spacers. Moving to the front of this car now, when you've got a C8 Corvette that can do almost 200 miles an hour and a Procharger, that makes for a pretty fast C8 Corvette. And when you're going that fast, protecting your condenser fins is a must. That's exactly what Nick has done by installing the Paragon Performance front grille guards. And when you've got that much carbon fiber in the rear of the car, you gotta bring a little to the front with the Paragon Performance carbon fiber front lip. And that's gonna wrap it up for Nick's 2020 orange C8 Corvette. See, orange, you glad you stayed till the end? Huge shout out to Nick for bringing his C8 Corvette to Paragon to get a Procharger installed on. We hope you're happy with that Z06 power. As always, the product you saw in this video will be linked down in the description. And while you're down there, why not leave us a comment? Let us know what was your favorite part on this unique C8 Corvette. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell notification button. As always, I'm Rob with Paragon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, and what rhymes with orange? Nothing.